Okay, welcome to a crazy, messy house. It's actually a very messy day, but also a very exciting day. So I am starting homeschool, starting all the things, starting a business, everything at once. And today's a very special day. We have a very special package that just arrived. It's always a good day when we have hair inventory arrive. It is the rawest of raw, realest of real hair. So I feel like the only way that you can make that happen and ensure that happens is if you are buying bulk. And I will go all into detail about bulk buying hair. That means come on in, we'll talk about it. Hi guys, welcome. What was that? Bam. A video of me opening up my first order of Burmese raw hair. Burmese raw hair. That means for me, because we all have our own take on it, right? Burmese hair that is raw for me would be straight Burmese hair that is not processed, not stripped in any way, not chemically steamed to mimic a certain wave pattern. It is 100% raw. It's cut from a donor. It is shipped to me. That's how raw we are gonna get here. So I am going to show you my first kilo order of Burmese hair that is ordered in bulk, meaning it is strictly cut from someone's head. It's not wefted or anything like that. I will be offering machine wefted hair out of this hair, but I'm taking a more hands-on approach, knowing exactly where this hair is going, knowing exactly who will be wefting it for me so that I can ensure 100% raw Burmese hair on my website. So we're going to create a huge drop day where we have Burmese hair for you to purchase and use at whatever disposal you love. So first, we're gonna be offering machine weft. I'll be doing some custom wigs with it. We're offering 100% raw hair, and I just got the order in today. I got the knock on the door, which I was not expecting. I thought that it would show up on Monday. Today is Thursday, so it got here quite quicker than I thought it would. Actually, we'll pull this one out. So this is raw Burmese hair. Like I was saying, it's cut straight from a donor. And I ordered about a kilo of hair to make wefts out of. So this is all hair that is cut from someone's head, and we are wefting it. So this is true 100% raw Burmese hair. When you see somebody, just so you know, and I'm not trying to throw shade on anybody, the way the businesses or whoever's selling raw Burmese hair right now wants you to see it as is raw Burmese hair is super curly, uniformed hair. And that is not the market of Burmese hair. So, well, I guess it is the market, but it's not the true market. So when you type in, you know, I hear all these amazing things about raw Burmese hair, but why does it always look so uniform? Or why does it always have this like same curl pattern? That's because that's the market that they have developed for raw Burmese hair. But when I'm talking about raw Burmese hair, I'm talking about actuality raw Burmese hair. It doesn't come super uniform. Burmese hair is from Myanmar. It's a part of Asia that have women with beautiful long hair, and they don't have like uniform curly hair. You know, sure, there's going to be people that do have curly hair over there and a little more curlier than others, but nothing is uniform. So when you see someone trying to offer you raw Burmese hair, but it's got a very uniform look to it, it was chemically steamed to look that way. Like, it's not raw. So I wish that's something people would be a little more honest about when it comes to hair, because it gives raw Burmese hair a bad rap. And Burmese hair is actually the best hair on the market you can buy. It really is. Like, I'm not making that up. Raw Burmese hair in this form is the best hair you can purchase. It is the most coveted hair. It's a very strong, beautiful, love the texture in it hair. And so that's what I'm gonna be offering on your website. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you guys. It's just gorgeous. There's no other way to describe it. No other way to describe it. So we ordered our first kilo of hair, and I need to stop touching it before I send it off to be wefted, because I'm losing some hair already just by like running my fingers through it. I'm excited to get the wefts. You guys are gonna come along with me in this whole process. So we received this kilo of hair from Myanmar on YouTube here to follow along with me this whole process on having and starting a new business with my husband Tim, getting raw Burmese hair and other raw coveted textures that I feel are so... I have 3 boys, so you're gonna hear random noises. We're going to be covering like raw textures that we love, that we're gonna be providing on the website, and super excited about it. Maybe down the way, do some custom coloring, things like that for some custom wigs, and just creating these beautiful drops around this beautiful hair. So we got our first kilo in. I'm super excited. We ended up going with 20 inches. So we're gonna do and stick with a little bit more of a natural length for our first round of hair extensions. And then you guys are gonna come along with us for the process. So now that the hair is in, we are going to go and get it wefted so that we have complete control over the hair. So you guys, I think that's it. I didn't want to make this a super long video. I just wanted to show you guys our first kilo, what's next. We're going to be wefting it. Once it's wefted, we are going to be showcasing it on the website. So we'll be creating a drop date as soon as we have the go ahead from our wefter. They will be wefting the hair from us. We just need to know how long that's going to take. Once we have that date, we can plan our drop day. And I'm so excited because this hair is for you guys. It's for you.